This is my comparison of LiveBinder and Symbaloo, and looking at the good things and bad things about each, and sort of making a comparison and telling you which one I like better. I guess to start off, the two I think sort of have two different uses to them. LiveBinder, I think, is a good place to collect sites and information and keep it all in a nice binder, I guess would be the right term, to go back and use, especially for when I'm doing some sort of research. Where Symbaloo is more of a place that I would use as my desktop, to where places that I'm going to go all the time and try and find things, or to do things with my students. So I like Symbaloo more as a desktop than I would say as a place to archive stuff that I want to use. I think Symbaloo is a lot easier to use as far as dragging and putting things in, where LiveBinder is much more of a file folder holder. So you would find certain topics and organize them together. I realize you can do that with Symbaloo, but then you have multiple tabs that you have to switch between. Sorry about that. So I just really like the Symbaloo better. It looks a lot better. I think LiveBinder is just sort of plain looking, and I know you can do some stuff to it, but I didn't find it that easy to use, and I don't like how you have to go in, and every time I used it, I had to remember that I had to go up to the edit button to edit, to add information to it, and then you had your sub categories, and they just weren't really easy to navigate through, where Symbaloo, everything's right up front and on top, and it's got that Google search engine built right into it. So I just like it a lot better. I think it's a cleaner look. It has those tiles, which are really nice. So if I had to pick between the two, I definitely would pick Symbaloo. If I were just doing research with it and trying to collect information, actually, my next class is the research paper class for my master's. I'm probably going to use the LiveBinder to keep my any of the information I find, my research information, in that, just because I'll be able to categorize it a little bit better. So that's my review of the two. Again, I think Symbaloo's better, especially as using it as a desktop, or even using with students. The students, I think, will be more engaged than they would with the LiveBinder. Thank you.